Hello.
Hi, I'm Cindy.
Debbie. I didn't know if she was going to go first or me. Like I said, we never set
planned
up
these.
a skit or anything, so it's fly by the seat of our pants.
We are sisters in stitches, and boy, oh boy, do I have a round head tonight. Sorry about
There
that.
she goes again. Watch our videos. She always crabs about her hair. It doesn't matter if it looks spectacular. She'll say something about her hair. Go figure. Go ahead.
No, I'm done.
Go on, Roundhead. Tell them what you're doing.
This is my dia&co box. And there are some possibilities. I did try on everything, so we'll talk about it as you see us. D&Co is a subscription service for $20 a month, which gets applied to anything you purchase. It's very similar to Stitch Fix at price points, and you get 25% off if you keep the whole box. And I've been doing D&Co. This was my very first box I ever did, so it's been about a year and a half. And there's some possibilities. There's some really big there's some really big fit issues in this box. And when Debbie was filming, I was watching her face, and it was like,
not because of the clothing, the way it fit her body.
yeah. So, and I was hoping to get just some summery stuff, and they did a pretty good job at the summery stuff. All right, we're back. I'm sorry. We're sitting in Debbie's dining room. As you can see over Debbie's shoulder, it's the front door, and I realized I still had the skirt on that I'm going to show you, so I had to take it off. So I'm literally sitting here with this shirt on.
Underwear and a shirt. If someone comes to my front door right now, they're going to see an eyeful.
So, anyway, so we got to do this quickly in case someone comes to the door. And you might hear it's like a big, huge thunderstorm here, so you'll probably
hear some thunder crashing and stuff.
So let me show you the skirt, or the skort, so I can put it back
on.
on. This is from Meera Lane, and is it black or navy?
Black and white, and it retails for $49.
And I like the print a lot. It's very versatile. I can wear it with so many colors. But as you can see from the try-on, which is the funniest face Debbie ever made, like,
well, you guys, I mean, first of all, it's way too big on her.
it is. It's a size 18,
and then
which is
the
what
way
I
the
wear.
pockets are on the seams, it stuck out like another 2 inches. I mean, she looked like she was the hippiest thing you've ever seen.
I look like Mother Goose or Humpty Dumpty.
No, you look like Henrietta Hippo.
Yeah, there you go. And it was just very rounded, and it's a skort. I like the
I think
print.
if she decides to keep this, she needs to go down to either to a 16 or I think even a 14.
Yeah, you guys can tell how big this is.
I like the skirt, but she needs to.
I do too, and I love the
size
pockets.
down.
And it's a skort, which is even better.
Well, the fact that it's a skirt and has pockets, that's huge.
Yeah. So I really like this. So how much was this?
$49, but I gotta say, the $10 ones I got from Target rival this.
No,
I'm
you
just
got
saying.
it from Costco.
I mean, from Costco.
However,
I'm
they don't
just
have
saying.
them in my size. I'm just saying.
You could probably wear the extra large.
No. Sit. I saw how it fit you. It fit you perfectly, and all my weight's on the bottom. No way. So anyway, we'll see. Let me see how I like the rest of the box and what you guys think. So this is a really cute little t-shirt.
You almost elbowed me in the face.
Sorry. It's got the little crisscross detail on the neck, so I'm trying to find some. I just don't like this whole area here.
We heard from a viewer that a crepe neck in the UK is called a sucky. Is that great or what?
So, because of my sucky, I'm asking for tops with unique necklines.
Because she wants to draw attention to her sucky.
No, I think
I'd be asking for detail at the bottom to draw the right down.
No. I think because it detracts. I really think it detracts because, like, look at this top. There's, like, nothing here, and all you see is, like, this area. But if you look in the try-on, this detracts from it. The only problem with the shirt, I haven't seen any of the clothes on me because Debbie didn't have a mirror down here. But I think it might be a little too clingy. And you guys know how I
just a little clingy.
like too clingy.
Just a little.
And I think if I size up, then it'll be too big everywhere else. And it'll still be clingy. So.
It's hard to tell too because it's so wrinkly.
Yeah, that's
it detracts,
true.
I think, from the
That's true. How
pretty
much
garment.
was this? I'm sorry.
That is a Carly, a Molly&Isadora-Karlie Lattice tee white for $32. The price point's not bad at all.
Yeah, and it seems like D&Co, their main line, their own brand is the Molly and Isadora, and they were kind of priced.
Yawning.
They were always kind of high, but I think they brought their pricing down.
You wanna put that skirt back on, or are you gonna keep going?
No, we're just gonna finish this
Okay.
video. It's raining. No one's gonna
Okay.
come to the door unless your sons come over. Then it'd be like,
Well, they'll be in the
oh.
garage anyway, so.
All right, then they sent me, to go with that outfit, they sent me this really cute black clutch purse, which I do need.
Clutch.
So
That's
it's just-
$39.
It's
That's
just
not a brand
very
price
simple,
point.
and it's a little bit big.
Is
so
it
I
leather?
No, not for $39.
It's vegan leather then.
Of course. But it's cute. I mean, it's got some pockets. I can fit my phone and all kinds of stuff. And I can use it as a wristlet, which I never do because that's more of a pain. But then I
Yeah.
can do it as a crossbody, which I really did need a black one. Debbie's like, do you really need that? I'm like, yeah, it's on my list. I have a list in my phone of... Did you want to do this video another time?
I worked really hard today, and now it's sitting down, and it's like, oh, finally we're relaxing. I'm sorry.
Need some caffeine or something.
I should.
So I really like this purse, and I think that I might want to keep it just because it's just plain, and I can...
Oh, that's where the things go?
Yeah.
So if you take that off, does it have one? Well, where does...
Over
No,
here.
what is this for?
Over here, you take off this.
I know, but what is this thing for?
I don't know.
Oh, it closes, and then you can stick that in there so nobody can open it.
Ah, now it's a keeper. That's cool. So I like it with that outfit. I just wish the shirt would have fit. And then the next shirt, which I really love, it kind of gives me that nautical feel. And it's by City Chic. I love City Chic. I order from their website all the time. And this is a black and white. It's like a deep V-neck. It's not quite off the shoulder. So this is one of those shirts. Look at this. It almost, look at that, it matches up exactly. This is one of those shirts I probably wear a bralette with, and I just bought a few to see if I like them.
Well, this shirt retails for $43, and this shirt I bought for $9. Big difference.
In quality too. Oh. No, I did buy.
Guess you told me.
That was Walmart, and I did get 2 of those actually. But City Chic is a really nice brand. I love their clothing. So let me know what you guys think about this. I really do like it. I love blue and white, especially in the summer. Throw on a pair of red flats or red sandals with a white jean skirt, white jeans. I'm set for the day. So I really, really like that. How did it fit?
A little tight, but you're losing weight. Look good. You could wear it now and get away with it.
Okay. And
as
then
long as you're comfortable in it.
The last thing, these are jeans by Curve Appeal. And look,
they're
they
$69.
supposedly compress your stomach and give you a butt, which I don't need. But these are...
Yeah, you need a butt. You have a flat butt.
No, I have a round, like it sticks out.
No, it's flat and wide, but I have the problem with the bubble butt.
Yeah.
Like those would make me look like I'm on a sky hook. Cindy and I have completely opposite figures.
She's got my dad's, I got my
5'9"
mom.
and have no hips. Cindy's 5'5.5", and she's really hippie like my mom. So we've always had trouble sharing clothes. Like tops we can share. Pants were a little. I couldn't wear her pants because they were always floods on me, and my pants she liked because
our stories for our get to know you.
She loved wearing mine because mine were way too long on her, so she could wear those stupid platforms we wore back in the day that were like 5 inches tall.
The Elton John specials. Anyway, so these are Curve Appeal, and I really do need this. I don't need this color. I want this color for summer and spring. It's a very...
I wasn't a fan of them on her, I've got to say.
No, they were a little tight. When
I didn't like the way the crotch like went like this when she walked because they were pulling. Yeah, you'll see in the... Well, you won't see
I figured I could look down and see my sausage casing.
There's...
So I knew that I'd have to wear shapewear. Who wants to wear leg shapewear in the summer? It kind of defeats the purpose of your pants hiding your cellulite.
Gosh, in this color too, it would look like raw sausage.
This color brings out my cellulite.
The pants are very soft,
Yes.
and they're a very nice pant.
I love Curve Appeal. I do have another pair, but
I don't know what size are these. Maybe you
they're
should.
18W. So, you know,
Maybe
like,
ask for them again after you've lost some more weight.
yeah.
You know, like that style, but maybe a different color or something.
Yeah, because I've been on hold for the last 2.5 weeks. Haven't lost 1 pound.
We have had a few things going on in our life. It's been a roller coaster.
All right, so
the
how
last 2
much
weeks.
are these? Because I know in my trunk club,
$69 for the second time.
I'm not listening. Because I know I'm getting a coral pair in my trunk club, and so I don't know.
This color does look really nice on Cindy. It does complement her.
I look better in
complexion.
spring colors than I do like winter colors.
No, you look good in jewel tone winter colors.
Yeah, it just I prefer the corals and the pinks.
Yeah, you don't
and
look
yellows.
good. You don't look good in like olive green. Like this color would look hideous on you with your light skin.
Well, look at how and she's been out in the sun all day.
Yeah, but she's sitting at a desk in an office. I'm out busting my hump and fixing up my yard. I have to do it myself now. In 2 homes. I have to go to the lake and do it over the weekend. Anyway,
All right.
I'm not complaining. The Lord has blessed me with 2 beautiful homes, so I'm not complaining.
All right, give me the bad news.
So, the merchandise total is $232.
Okay.
You take off the $20 styling fee and the $58 for the 25% off, and the total box would be $154. So the price point's great for a box of clothing.
Yeah, there's just some sizing issues. And I'm wondering, I've never done this before, but what if you size down and you still don't like the fit? Can you return it?
I don't know. Maybe that's a phone call you should make before you keep them. Here's their phone number, 855-631-3513. Dia&Co. Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
All right.
So call them and ask them before you do it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. But I'm going to get this video up really quickly. So if you guys could just kind of weigh in, and maybe some of you have done that. What's your experience with returning something for a different size and then that different size still doesn't look good on you? So anyway, I think it's really good possibilities. They kind of, with the blue and white top, with the coral pants and the white, I don't know. I really, really like this box, and it's just, how could one 18 be way too big and then the other 18 be too small? It's driving me crazy being in between sizes.
Other than the purse, I don't think I'd keep anything else. Well, maybe the blue and white shirt. So I would only keep the purse and that blue and white shirt. I would send back the pants, the white shirt, and the skirt.
Well, the clutch is $39 and the top is, so that's $82.
So it's half price.
Minus my 20 would be $62.
That's not bad for a shirt and a purse.
No. All right. So weigh in. Let me know what you guys think. I really
A lot
like
of you have been agreeing with me, so thank you.
If it were up to me, I would size down on the skort.
I still don't know if I'd like where the pockets hit you though.
Yeah, I'll have to look at the video. I should have done it in a mirror. We really got to film this where there's a mirror so I know exactly how it fits. So, well, thank you for letting me ramble on and on about my clothes. So I think we're done. And you can hit the subscribe button over here because we got so many more boxes, so many fun boxes, beauty boxes, a few
I know we're not
lifestyle.
fooling you. We're not changing our our makeup. We're just switching our shirts.
Just for our thumbnail picture, that's all.
Anyway, we only get together a couple times a week with our schedules so busy as they are. So we have to put all these videos together in two evenings a week. So
When I have clothing videos, I get those up the next day and I space them out so that I can get your opinions before I ship everything back. So,
and I only do one clothing box, so it's not an issue.
You did thread up the one time, so it's more fun to pick out yours. But that's another video. All
Anyway,
right, thank you very much, ladies,
bye, ladies
and gents.
and 2 gents. Thanks for tuning in.
All right, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.